Hello and welcome back to Tot Teaches Math. Hi, I'm Tot, and today we are going to solve percent problems. All right, so we have our example on the board. Grab your laptops, your iPads, your pencils, your papers, and let's dive right on in. So we see here that we have what is 25% of 60. Okay? Well, first things first, we're going to have to change that percent into a decimal. So how do we do that? Well, I'm glad you asked. Well, we'll write 25 like this here. Okay? And we're just going to throw a decimal right in front of it. So now it's 0.25. Okay? Normally when you insert your decimals, always move your decimal 2 places to the left. Okay? All right. So next, this is going to be times 60. Okay? Now you're going to multiply 0.25 times 60. And once you do that, that answer is going to be 15. So 0.25 times 60 is 15. It was just that simple. All right, so let's do another example here. Our next example is going to be, you bought a hoodie for $80. And it's 30% off. How much do you save? Okay, well, first things first. So remember, we have to change the percentage into a decimal. So we'll rewrite the percent and we'll put 30. And remember, we're going to throw a decimal right in front of it. So that's going to be times 80. So when you multiply 0.30 times 80, that's going to give you 24. Okay? So you actually save $24. Okay? Now, if you wanted to find the sale price, the only thing you would do is subtract from the original price. So your original price was $80, right? And now you're going to subtract what you saved. It's going to be $56 or 56, and then you'll add your dollar sign. So $56 represents how much the sale price is, but $24 is how much you saved. That was your 30% off the $80. Okay? All right. Well, thank you so much for helping me solve this percent problem. And if you learned anything from this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And remember, Tot got your back. Until next time, bye-bye.